Hello. Today we are going to learn 240 vocabulary words for 5th grade. Okay, so this is Danny. Danny, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm Tchr Thu from Myanmar Teacher. So let's get started. Let me share the screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Have you got a notebook and a pen?
Yes.
Okay, this book is from Scholastic. So this is for vocabulary words learning. Okay, so this is for 5th grade. So there are 24 lessons in this book. We are going to study the first lesson. So lesson 1 is about synonyms. So look at the words. Look at the words first. You need to say the word and tell me the words.
Better,
And then
variable, receptacle, quiver, blunder, rash, novice, outstanding, generally, hazardous.
and okay. So the pronunciation is, this is the pronunciation. Veto. So this is the pronunciation. So veto. Vetoဆိုတာဘာကိုပြောရလဲဆိုရင်it is also a noun and also verb. So if someone in authority vetoes something, they stop you being put into action. It means veto means if you veto something, you say no to it. No, you say no to it ကိုပြောတာ So ban လုပ်တာ or dismissal လုပ်တာ veto လုပ်တယ်ဆိုတာနော် So this is veto. And then variableဆိုတာဘာလဲဆိုရင် it means changeable. And then receptacleဆိုတာ what is the receptacle? A receptacle, what does it mean? It's a container. So receptacle is a container. And then a blender is a mistake. Spelling is B-L-U-N, not E-N, B-L-U-N, D-E-R, blender. It's a mistake. So a blunder is a stupid or careless mistake, okay? And then rash, what does it mean? So variable ဆိုတဲ့ဘောက changeable ဆိုတာပြောင်းလဲလို့ရတာကိုပြောတာเนาะပြောင်းလဲလို့ရတာပြောင်းလဲနိုင်တာကိုပြောတာเนาะ variable ဆိုတာပုံသေးမဟုတ်ဘူးပြောင်းလဲလို့ရတာအရှင်ဆိုတဲ့အဓိပ္ပာယ်ရှိတယ်အဲ့တော့ variable ဆိုတာခဏနေကြရင် sentence တွေနဲ့လေ့လာမယ်နောက်တစ်ခုကကြာ receptacle ဆိုတာကျတော့ container ကိုပြောတာထည့်စရာ So receptacle ဆိုတာ container ထည့်စရာထားသို့စရာကိုပြောတာ And then next one က quiver ဆိုတာကျတော့တုံတာတိတ်တုံတာမျိုးပေါ့နော်တုံတာကိုပြောတာတုံလောက်တာကိုပြောတာ quiver And then နောက်တစ်ခုကတော့ကျတော့ blunder ဆိုတာတော့အမှားပေါ့မမှားတဲ့အမှားကိုပြောတာနော် stupid mistake ကိုပြောတာ blunder ဆိုတာဆိုးရတဲ့အမှားမမှားတဲ့အမှားကိုပြောတာစလုံးပေါင်းက B-R-U-N နဲ့ပေါင်းတယ်နော်နောက်တစ်ခုကတော့ R-A-S-H rush ဆိုတာကြတော့ဟောပေါ့နော် noun ဆိုရင်တော့အဖူအပိတ်လို့ပြောတာနော်ဒီနေရာမှာတော့ adjective ကိုပြောတာ you are rush လို့ပြောရင်မင်းက you are careless လို့ပြောတာမင်းကမူးရှူတို့လုပ်တယ်မစင်မချင်လုပ်တယ်လို့ပြောတာနော်နောက်တစ်ခုကကျတော့ novice ဆိုတာကျတော့ဟောပေါ့အခုမှစပြီးတော့ beginner လုပ်မဲ့လက်သင်ကိုပြောတာ novice နော် novice ဆိုတာ beginner ကိုပြောတာနောက်တစ်ခုကကျတော့ outstanding ဆိုတာကျတော့တခုခုမှ outstanding ဖြစ်နေတယ်ဆိုတာကထူးချွန်တာเนาะထူးချွန်တာပြောင်မြောက်တာဒါမှမဟုတ်ရင်သူကထင်ရှားတာ important in some way ကိုပြောတာ generally ဆိုတာတော့ usually ဒီနေရာမှာရေဘူးရအားဖြင့်တို့များသောအားဖြင့်ဆိုတဲ့အဓိပ္ပာယ်ပေါ့နော်ရေဘူးရအားဖြင့်အများအားဖြင့်ဆိုတဲ့အဓိပ္ပာယ်ရှိတယ်နောက်တစ်ခုကတော့ hazardous ဆိုတာအန္တရာယ်များတာကိုပြောတာအန္တရာယ်များတာအန္တရာယ်ရှိတာ dangerous ကိုပြောတာ it means dangerous နောက်တစ်ခုကတော့ veto လို့ပြောရဲဆိုရင်တော့ veto အာဏာသုံးပြီးတော့ veto power ဆိုတဲ့အဓိပ္ပာယ်ရှိတယ်နော်ဒီလိုပိတ်ပင်တာပေါ့နော် veto power သုံးပြီးတော့တခုခုကိုမလုပ်ဖို့ပိတ်ပင်တာမျိုးကိုခေါ်တယ်နော်အဲ့တော့အဲ့စကားလုံးလေးတွေသိပြီဆိုရင်အခု line ထားတဲ့ highlight လုပ်ထားတဲ့စကားလုံးလေးတွေဖတ်ကြည့်အောင် variable changeable receptacle container quiver shake blunder mistake careless rush beginner novice outstanding important in some way generally usually hazardous, dangerous. Veto, you say no to it ကိုပြောတာ veto power ကိုပြောတာနော် Okay အဲ့ဒါလေးတစ်ခေါက်ပြန်ရွတ်ကြည့်အောင်ရွတ်ကြည့်ပြီး exercise လုပ်မယ်
variable, changeable, receptacle, container, quiver, stake, blunder, mistake, careless, novice, beginner, outstanding, important in some way, generally, usually, hazardous, dangerous, till you say no to it.
Okay, this time read the vocabulary word, find and circle 3 other words that mean almost the same thing. Synonyms, Shama, 3 synonyms in each line. So you should find 3 synonyms in each line. So quiver.
Tremble, shake, and shiver.
So tremble, shake, and shiver. So these are quiver, toner. Hazardous.
Harmful, risky, dangerous.
Novice.
Newcomer, beginner, learner.
Blender.
Error, mistake, misjudgment.
Generally.
Commonly, usually, mostly.
Outstanding.
Notable, important, remarkable.
Rush.
Foolhardy, reckless, careless.
Veto.
Prohibit, forbid, and ban.
Okay, word done, all correct. So you got the correct answers. And then write a vocabulary word for each clue. What the weather is from day to day. What the weather is from day to day. Here. So changeable.
Variable.
So variable. So the answer is variable. A good place for trash. Variable, receptacle, quiver, blender. Receptacle. Container ထဲမှာပြရမယ်။လက်ထိရမလား
Yes.
Okay. So ဒီအောက်မှာစကားလုံးလေးတွေဖြည့်ကြည့်အောင် synonyms လေးတွေ So you have to use the words from the box: veto, variable, receptacle, quiver, blender, rush, novice, outstanding, generally, hazardous. So ဒီစကားလုံးတွေရွေးမယ်နော် Use what you know, write the best word to complete each sentence. The audience clap loudly for the blank performance.
The outstanding performance.
So for the outstanding performance. Yes, well done. Performance. The child's lips began to when he was scolded.
Quiver.
Quiver. So, Sukaya Tema, do ye. Nakan near Dona, no quiver. Norman realized he had made a big blank and he apologized.
A big blunder.
Blunder means stupid mistake. No? Yes, correct. So we finish blunder, quiver. There's a blank for mail in the lobby. Mail to put in.
A receptacle.
There's a receptacle. Think carefully about your actions and don't make blank decisions.
Rash.
Rash means careless, reckless. So don't make rash decisions. Gabby fell a lot because she was a blank at snowboarding.
Outstanding.
Outstanding, we finished outstanding. Gabby fell a lot because she was a
novice.
Yes, no? So she was a beginner, no? So novice. We need to fill veto, variable, generally, hazardous, no? From 7 to 10 sentences. Mom will probably The idea
Veto.
of sleeping outside tonight.
Veto.
Veto. No, veto look no veto.
Veto.
So ma'am will probably veto. Vetoes are prohibit lo da pyo no. Or the mom permission the idea of sleeping outside tonight. That loose wire is blank and should be fixed. Variable generally hazardous. That loose wire is blank and should be fixed.
Hazardous.
Hazardous, dangerous. So generally and variable. The Gordons blank do their errands on Saturday morning. So errands mean job, no? Job or job lead no? Job lead So an errand is a short trip that you make in order to do a job for someone. No? Errand no? So the Gordons blank do their errands on Saturday morning.
Generally.
Generally, no? Okay. At this time of year, the temperature is only one left.
Variable.
Variable. Variables are changeable. Temperature new beyond. Okay. Read each question and choose the best answer. Which one is a novice? Pro, old-timer, rookie?
Rookie.
So a rookie is someone who has just started doing a job no? So beginner the volume. Okay, so you chose the right one. Choose the best answer. No, which one is hazardous? Poison, portrait, polish.
Poison.
Poison. What makes you quiver? Food,
Fear.
fear, fan.
Fear.
Fear is no? And then which one is a receptacle? Rack, bag.
Bag.
Container ဆိုတော့ပစ္စည်းတစ်ခုခုထည့်လို့ရမယ့်ဟာဖြစ်ရမယ်ဒီမှာဆိုအိတ်က receptacle so အိမ်စာလေးတစ်ခုရှိမယ်အိမ်စာလေးကဘာလို့ရမှာလဲဆိုရင် design and write a warning sign တစ်ခုကို design ဆွဲရမယ် and write ရေးရမယ် you have to use at least 2 vocabulary words that you've learned today no okay so the at least 2 vocabularies and you have to design and write a warning sign. That in yamala homework lo Yamala? Yamala, Danny?
Yes.
Okay, so that's
now.
all for today. So before you leave the meeting, you have to read these sentences. The audience.
The audience clapped loudly for the outstanding performance. The child's lips began to quiver when he was scolded. Norman realized he made a big blunder and he apologized. There's a receptacle for mail in the lobby. Think carefully about your actions and don't make rash decisions. Gabby fell a lot because he was a novice at snowboarding. Mom will probably veto the idea of sleeping outside tonight. The loose wire is hazardous and should be fixed. The Goldens generally do their errands on a Saturday morning. At this time of the year, the temperature is variable.
So what? Then which one is read?
Rookie.
Okay,
which one is a novice?
Answer.
Rookie.
And then number 2.
Which one is hazardous? Poison. Which makes you quiver? Fear. Which is a receptacle? Bag.
Okay, well done.
Warning sign.
Yes, you have to draw and write a warning sign using at least 2 vocabulary words. So, I'm going to ask you, changeable.
Variable.
You say no to it.
Oh.
Veto. You say no to it.
Veto.
Dangerous.
Hazardous.
Usually.
Generally.
Rush.
Careless.
Beginner.
Novice. Outstanding.
Usually.
Generally.
Mistake.
Blunder.
Shake.
Quiver.
Container.
Receptacle.
Okay, so that's all for today. Have a lovely evening. See you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.